If you've been thinking about using Notion but you're not sure where to start, this video will walk you through simple, practical ways to use the Notion app so you can finally make it work for your life, your work, or your creative projects. Notion is one of those tools that looks complicated at first, but once you understand what it can do, you'll realize it can replace multiple apps you're already using. Think of it as a workspace where you can write, plan, organize, and automate almost anything. One of the easiest ways to start using Notion is by turning it into your digital notebook. You can create pages for meeting notes, class notes, brainstorming sessions, or even daily reflections. Notion's editor is super flexible. Drag things around, add checklists, add toggles, and keep everything searchable so nothing ever gets lost again. If you're someone who loves to jot down ideas on the fly, the mobile app is perfect for quickly capturing thoughts and syncing them instantly to your workspace. Another powerful use of Notion is project management. You can build a simple to-do list or upgrade it into a full project dashboard with tasks, deadlines, and progress tracking. Notion's databases let you visualize work in different ways: lists for simple tasks, boards for Kanban-style workflows, calendars for scheduling, and tables for more detailed views. Whether you're managing work projects, home errands, or group tasks with a team, Notion gives you everything you need in one place. Notion is also amazing for personal organization. You can create a life dashboard where you track goals, habits, finances, and routines. Many people use it as a digital planner to plan their weeks, schedule their days, and monitor their progress. You can even use Notion as a habit tracker. Just create a simple database and update it daily. Over time, you get a clear picture of what you're improving and what needs adjustment. If you're a student, Notion can become your academic command center. You can store lecture notes, organize assignments, create study schedules, and track exam preparations. You can link all your classes in one place, attach resources, and even embed videos or PDFs. Notion also allows you to connect information using relations and rollups, so you can link assignments to subjects and see everything at a glance. For creatives, Notion serves as a content hub. You can plan YouTube videos, Instagram posts, scripts, blog articles, whatever you create, you can organize it here. Notion lets you store ideas, build content calendars, track brand deals, and outline drafts all in one workspace. The flexibility makes it great whether you're working solo or with a team. You can comment, share pages, and collaborate in real time. You can also use Notion for home and life management. People use it to organize recipes, track workouts, manage budgets, and keep important documents. You can create a travel planner, a reading list, a movie tracker, or even a personal journal. The best part is that Notion is fully customizable. You can start with simple pages and slowly build systems that fit exactly what you need. And if building from scratch feels overwhelming, Notion has a huge library of templates. Just search for something like budget, tasks, notes, or dashboard, and you'll find ready-made pages you can duplicate and customize. Templates are the fastest way to understand how Notion works because you get to see real structures you can play with. The beauty of Notion is that it evolves with you. You don't need to set everything up perfectly from day one. Start small, a notes page, a simple to-do list, or a weekly planner. Then add more as you get comfortable. Before you know it, Notion becomes your all-in-one workspace that keeps your entire life organized, simple, and easy to manage.